chop a big song, and we mash up on the Mets, and now they can't revive her. Them never hot song sound like a sing-along, if you wonder how them survivor. Them think we do it for the likes, but we do it for the love, that's how we never feel more alive.
Marcella had the big bad choir, that's how everybody read the champion choir. We go, Bellefield and the other fool boy, the push and never we did the champion choir. After ATS open at the sky, right every week to the big bad choir. Now joking what to take with the tie, champion, we are the champion choir.
My dream, my dream, my dream, my dream, my dream. Tell you my dream is you in ATS. Bellefield High School choir are the best. Tell you my goal, my goal, my goal. All of my goal is to reach my goal. Hold up the credit and sit down control. Nobody can touch it, this a Bellefield zone. Look at we now, when them treat we less than gold. Put we in a box like a rectangle. Oh, oh, look at we now, look at we now, look at we now. And we are telling you free life. When them used to go round, we go round. No one used to come round. They feel we life was so low. Look at we now, look at we now, look at we now.
Champion, we are the champion school. Champion, we are the champion school. Champion, we are the champion school.
Bellefield. All right, good job. Bring some dancehall. We will see who is the champion school.
Yeah, Bellefield, you just come every week and just amaze us with all the new things that you do. Creativity is it. With this song, I found that in the middle of it, melodically, it was basically in the same place, but it was very, very entertaining, and I was able to pick out some of the words that you give us a bad song every week, and you shell it every week, and so on. And the song sort of moved to a new level when you started to sing My Dream. Nice work.
Of all the schools that have performed this year, you have handled reggae and dancehall the best. I remember the very first week you sang, a certain artist posted it on Facebook and it went viral. I'm disappointed that you did not sing that song tonight, but you are indeed the big bad choir.
Yeah, well, I don't know. This is my favorite performance tonight. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite performance because, you know, it shows the musicality in even a song like Champion Boy and them tune. It's very musical music. So we give thanks that we can bring out the musicality of our own Jamaican music and more love and, you know, niceness. We love it. Yeah.
Do you believe that Bellefield